Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, June 24. Time is around 12:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Omonda platform. So today is Saturday, markets are closed, but during the weekend I always do an analysis of the higher time frame for investors and also for traders as preparation for the trading week. So here we look at the weekly chart of the Nasdaq, and my take on the Nasdaq is that we finished here a wave one to the upside. So in a higher degree, we have 5 waves up, and we end here with divergence. So this is here for me a complete cycle, and then we went down in a corrective structure ABC, and here we have our wave 2 low. We did not fulfill the minimum requirement for a wave 2. So normally a wave 2 retraces to the 0.5 to the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement of your wave 1, but this did not happen for the Nasdaq. Now, yeah, this is possible if an index is really bullish. It could be that we do not retrace to the 0.5 level. Also on the lower time frame, I see it sometimes that this wave 2 is not retracing to the 0.5. But yeah, okay, for now I would assume that the wave 2 low is in here. And as you can see, here we have again, an impulsive structure to the upside. So this might be the start of a higher degree wave 3, actually. So if this was our wave 1 and this was our wave 2, we already know the target area for our wave 3, and this is the area between, you take the length of your wave 1, the length of your wave 2, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area where our wave 3 should go. Yeah, of course, this looks really bullish, but this is not for tomorrow. It can take months and years to play out. So for the moment, this is speculation, I would say. I think it's better just to concentrate now on the area where we currently are, and to do analysis on this. Also, we never move up in straight lines. Again, we should see 5 waves here within this wave 3. And so it could be that we are now doing this first wave, but then we have wave 2 pullback, another wave 3, 4, 5 into this area. So yeah, this looks really bullish. However, there's also another scenario that I have to share with you. Like, as long as we do not take out this high here, we do not have confirmation about this bullish scenario. Like, it could still be that this is part of a wave 2. Like, what we could do is something like this. Now I have my ABC here as a corrective structure, but it could be that this was, for instance, just our wave 1, that we now have a wave, that we now had a wave B to the upside, and that we start to drop from here as a wave 2. Like, let's assume that our wave B high is in here. Then we find the area for this wave C by taking the length of your wave A, the length of your wave B, and then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension becomes the target area for your wave C. And so what you see then is that this area would coincide like with the area of your wave 2. This would actually be a nice wave 2 retracement, like to correct this upward wave 1. that fulfills the requirements as a wave 2. So this is also a possibility. Yeah. However, as you can see, there's quite some separation now between this low and the current price. Like I cannot make this my primary scenario. It would mean that I today predict that we will drop from the 1500 level to the 8000 level. Yeah, I mean this would not be based on this would not be serious. Like I would sound like like an idiot. But from Elliott wave perspective, it would be perfectly possible. It's a scenario that you have to consider. But for now, um, I would say there is a higher probability that this plays out, this scenario, because we are, yeah, the NASDAQ is a bullish index. We are making higher highs, higher lows overall. So yeah, I have to make this scenario my primary scenario. But this one cannot be excluded. I have to say, like it is. Okay, but so maybe let's further zoom in now to the daily, because here on the daily and also on the 4 hour we see some interesting things actually. So this here is our wave 2 low, and so in the higher degree, this here is wave 2. And so from here we see an impulsive structure up. So we did the first wave 1, we corrected this as a wave 2, so we retested this low, and from here we really have an impulse up. Yeah, impulsive structure to the upside. What we see on the 4 hour is actually more interesting. Let me share the chart with you. So from this wave 2 low, we again have to have 5 waves in order to complete this wave 3 here. And so yeah, what we see as internal count is we had a wave 1 to the upside, we corrected again as a wave 2, and now we are here at some crucial area for this wave 3 here. So we find this area by taking the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, and so the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension is an area where we should see a reaction to the downside. And so as you can see, there's also some resistance here. We perfectly reacted from this level. Okay, it's for now it's a shallow retracement. But it's an important area for traders. Like we really have to be careful on the lower time frame, on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minutes with our trades, because from here we can expect a pullback, and then we have to see if this unfolds in a pullback in the higher time frame, or is it only the lower time frame. We also have divergence here in the 4 hour, so it could be that we have some kind of complete structure here, and that we start to go down from here. But this is something to analyze in more detail on weekdays when we trade. On weekdays, I do analysis of the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute, to see which kind of trades we can take. But I just want to say that this is an important area where we can expect a pullback. So as an investor, I already advised that we are at an area to take profit. I already said this last week and the week before. I think like you do not buy here. You definitely do not buy here. Here I would rather take profit as it looks like we are finishing something for now. As an investor, what I want to see, let's go back to the daily. Yeah, you need to buy the pullbacks, of course, and if it would turn out like that we finish here, I don't know yet, we do not have confirmation, but that we finish here like a wave 3, then what I want to see is something like this: corrective structure, ABC down, and then as an investor you buy again here. Like you need this 3 swings, 1 2 3, ABC, and then we will have here an area to buy again, and this is where you buy. You do not buy here. You buy the pullbacks. So there's not much you can do as an investor. I would rather um, take some profit here in this area, but I would definitely not buy. It's too late to buy here in my opinion. So again, yeah, also here on the daily, this looks like a bullish scenario, more upside. But let me refer back to the bearish case. So in the bearish case, this becomes your so this will be your wave A. Then this will be your B, and then you can have a C down. And yeah, then this, like now I present this as a 1 2 3 4 5, but yeah, I have to mention so far we only have 3 swings, 1 2 3, or maybe yeah, I would count it like this: 1 2 3, and then this could actually be also like this: A B C, because your B has to be a corrective structure, and for now we have a corrective structure. We have an A B C, so with an extended wave C. So again, this is not my primary scenario, but it is something that we cannot exclude as long as we are not taking out the all-time high. If we take out the all-time high, we again continue the higher high, higher low sequence. So this would be a confirmation of the bullish case, but this cannot be excluded for now. So this is the primary scenario. As I said, wave 2 low here is in, although we did not fulfill the minimum requirement. We did not touch the 0.5 pip retracement, but like I said, sometimes this happens. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work so I can further grow this channel. And then I see you back on Monday for an analysis of the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15-minute. We are at a very interesting area. We might have some trades there, but this is for Monday. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.